This slide, or this case, is entitled Cervix Squamous Cell Carcinoma, but let's not believe it. Let's figure it out for ourselves. In fact, let's see if maybe the book is wrong. Well, let's start out with the easy thing. From a pure epithelial point of view, and this is pure epithelium, there's no connective tissue underneath it in this area. We see squamous cells. Well, we could see them here where they're focused in at least. And now we could see that it's slowly starting to focus for us. Here at the base of the squamous mucosa, we could see they are more columnar oriented. And here, as they flatten out towards the top, they're more flat and squamous in appearance. So we have a pure epithelium with no connective tissue underneath it, almost like it was stripped from the overlying connective tissue. And now we are following this little strip of non-keratinized squamous epithelium to the point where it actually is attached to the underlying connective tissue. And the underlying connective tissue has similar nests of squamous cells. Now, if you knew this was a cervix, you would be asking yourself, is this squamous metaplasia in the underlying endocervical glands, or could this be infiltrative squamous cell carcinoma? Well, let's look at the evidence. First of all, there are no normal columnar or glandular epithelial structures in the underlying tissue. That's number one. Often with squamous metaplasia, you could see these squamous cells replacing some of them, or maybe some of them are still there. Another feature that will be even more revealing is if you look closer at the nests of squamous epithelium, you will soon see that there are areas in which there is necrosis. And last but not least, there are bizarre nuclear forms, like here, like here, like here. And in addition, you can see a mitotic figure there, and possibly here. So this is totally unorganized, but keratin-producing nest of infiltrating squamous cell carcinoma. And that makes a big, big, big difference in the cervix, because squamous metaplasia replaces the spaces of the endocervical glands by normal-looking squamous cells. But infiltrating squamous cell carcinoma doesn't replace anything. It invades not only glands, but directly into the tissue as well. So this is like really, really, really a good example, for all the reasons we just discussed, of a very obvious infiltrating squamous cell carcinoma, infiltrating the connective tissue of the cervix. Thank you very much.